In this video, I will show you how to compare markets in Google Finance. Firstly, open Google Finance. You can search for it or just click on these 9 dots, find option Finance and click on it. Now on the first page, we want to click on Compare Markets. And here you can see how markets moved on this day. Nasdaq gained the most. You can also select here the time range, for example last 6 months. And also here you can see that the Nasdaq gained the most. Next is S&P 500. You can also see here the Europe markets, Asia markets, currencies, and also crypto markets. I'm gonna click on 6 months. And you can see here that the Ether and Bitcoin gained the most last 6 months. To see the gains each day, for example on April 1st, Dogecoin was up 118%. So this was how to compare markets in Google Finance. I hope you find it helpful. See you next time.